Hey everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Ang episode ngayon ay medyo naiiba. It's all about my journey with my Rosewood students. A group of teenagers who have challenged me, surprised me, and most of all, inspired me in ways I didn't expect. Now, let's get real for a second. Perfect ba sila? Of course, no. They can be stubborn, tamad, and yes, a little vagabond-like in times. Students pretending to nap during class, dawdling instead of taking notes, and sneaking snacks. But you know what? That's part of what makes them, them. And honestly, I wouldn't trade it for the world. Maaaring subukin nila ang aking pasensya sa ilang mga araw. Ngunit palagi silang gumagawa ng isang paraan upang ipaalala sa akin kung bakit gustong-gusto kong magturo. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng mga maliliit na bagay. The random jokes, the laughter, their thoughtful surprises, and the way they light up when they finally get something we've been working on. Ang mga batang ito ay may paraan para surprisahin ako. They are thoughtful, they are loving, and they taught me so much about resilience and finding joy in every day.
Happy birthday, Sir Oscar!
Kaya sa mga estudyante ko sa Rosewood, salamat sa pagiging natatanging kayo para sa mga tawanan, kaguluhan, at mga nakatutuwang sandali. Ang pagiging tagapayo nyo ay hindi palaging madali, but it's always worth it. That's it for today's vlog. If you ever had students like my Rosewood class, or just people in your life who make it worthwhile, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay awesome!